you do paint projects around the home, it's not just about the paint, particularly with older homes like this. There's some key preparation involved. As you can see, I've sanded down this wall, but there are some key areas that require some filling before we paint. When it comes to filling, it can be quite confusing. There's a range of fillers to choose from, and then you need sandpaper and you need a scraper applicator. Monarch have made paint prep easy with the new Monarch Mini Fill Sand Go. This unique 3-in-1 solution features ready-to-use filler for small to medium cracks, a built-in applicator in the lid, and the bit I love the most, a unique sanding puck with sandpaper on both sides. We've sanded down our wall, and here's a painter's tip. If you can run your finger over the imperfection and you can feel it, you need to apply the filler. Simply put some on the applicator. When you apply it with the blade down flat and then stand it up to remove the excess. Now you might note we have a larger, deeper hole down here. You might need to fill this more than once. The benefit of this product is it takes 30 minutes to dry and then we're ready to sand. And what I love about Monarch Fill Sand Go is the unique sanding puck, and you can hold it in your hand for increased flexibility or simply place in the holder, which is ideal when you want to sand flat surfaces. The beauty of this product is it's 120 grit sandpaper, which is perfect for most projects. We're going to finish sanding, dust off, and we're good to paint. And here's a painter's tip. To avoid the patches showing through your finished coat of paint, simply roll over them, let it dry, then paint. Perfect job. So we've finished our wall and it looks sensational. But remember, preparation is half the job. So how convenient is it to have everything you need in a handy tub? Monarch Mini Fill Sand Go. Give it a crack.